In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently download and print your project from Canva in a clean and professional format. Whether you're preparing a presentation, flyer, or any printable project, these steps will ensure you know exactly what to do. Let's get started by opening Canva. If you're not already familiar, Canva is an incredibly user-friendly design tool that allows you to create beautiful visuals with its wide range of templates and customization options. Once you've logged into your Canva account, locate and open the project you've been working on. Preparing your project is crucial, so make sure that everything looks exactly how you want it before moving forward. Take a moment to verify that your design elements are aligned, the colors pop the way you want, and everything is spelled correctly. Once your project looks perfect and ready to go, it's time to move on to sharing and downloading. In the upper right corner of the Canva interface, you'll see the Share button. Go ahead and click on that. This is your gateway to various options for exporting your project. From here, you'll see several choices, but for a high-quality print-ready format, you'll want to select Download. This simple action will present you with multiple format options to choose from. Since we're focusing on creating a polished, professional hard copy, choose PDF Print. This format ensures that all details of your design are preserved, making it perfect for high-quality printing. Before hitting that final download choice, you'll notice an option for crop marks and bleed. Check this box. Crop marks are handy guidelines that help you cut your printed document accurately, while bleed ensures that your design extends all the way to the edge of the paper after trimming. These details are incredibly useful, especially if your design features full-color backgrounds or elements that reach the edge. Now, click Download and watch your project turn into a ready-to-print file. Once the download is complete, it'll be stored on your device and you're ready to print. Open this PDF file, and as you do so, you'll typically see the print menu appear. Here's where you have a notable option, the ability to adjust the layout, specifically the pages per sheet setting. If you're looking to save paper or create a more compact booklet-style printout, you can choose to print multiple pages per sheet. In our example, we'll go for 6 pages per sheet. This is particularly useful for drafts or when you want to conserve resources. Finally, all that's left is to click Print. Your printer will work its magic, and you'll soon have your project in hand, 6 pages per sheet, ready to be shared or reviewed. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and printed your Canva project with professional attention to detail.